Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to adjust a space on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To adjust spacing on your Squarespace website, you can modify various settings depending on the section or element you're working with. Once you are logged into your Squarespace account, I want you to hover to the upper right corner and click on the account dashboard. Now, if you want to adjust the section padding, which is going to be top from bottom, because each section on a page in Squarespace has its own padding settings, which control the space above and below the content. Once you are inside the Squarespace Builder Editor, I want you to click on the Edit sections, because this is where you can adjust the gap. For example, this. See that? You can also adjust this one right here. You can maximize. You can go to the minimum. You can have this section to fill screen if you want. You see that? You have the control for the height. Is it going to be small, medium, large? Alignment is this. So you see all of these options. You can put in the divider if you want. Or you can put it back again. You can put in the stroke and the thickness right here. You see there's a lot that you can work with. Okay? Now, if you wanted to have more control on the site spacing, you might want to click on this section right here that says site styles, because that would lead you to this option that says miscellaneous. There's going to be an option that says spacing, wherein you can max out the page width right here, or you can go for the minimum. You can also have the option for the site margin if you want. So these are going to be under your control, because you also have to check that if the changes are applicable for the mobile view. All right, because adjusting the space between these elements and section helps create a clear structure. Proper spacing can guide the viewer's eyes to important information and make the content easier to scan, as you can see. And by tweaking the spacing, you can significantly improve both the look and functionality of your Squarespace website. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.